Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a loyalty card onto your Instacart account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to add any loyalty card onto your account, just click on the account icon at the bottom left and then click on your account settings. This will now take you into the account settings page, from which within the left side you will see the loyalty cards option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the various different loyalty cards that you can use with your Instacart account. Click on the add card button for any loyalty card that you wish to add, and you will now be asked to enter the card number. Just type in your loyalty card number within the given card number box and then click on the confirm button. Once you confirm with your card number, your loyalty card will be added to your account right away. And now you can start using this loyalty card and claim your loyalty points. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a loyalty card onto your Instacart account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.